Have you ever woken up feeling tired, even after a full night's sleep, struggled just to stand up from bed, or felt like your muscles just aren't what they used to be? If you're over 60, this might sound familiar. Muscle loss, fatigue, and low energy are all part of aging, or so we're told. But what if that's not the whole story? What if just one simple morning drink could help you feel stronger, more energized, and ready to move again? Today, you'll discover the one drink that's changing lives, and it might change yours too. Every day, millions of older adults wake up feeling weaker than the day before. Tasks like walking, cooking, or climbing stairs become harder. Muscles shrink, bones weaken, and energy fades. This isn't just aging. It's something called sarcopenia, or age-related muscle loss. And the scary part, most people don't even notice it until their strength is already gone. But here's the hopeful truth. Your body can rebuild muscle and restore energy if you give it the right fuel. And this fuel doesn't come in a pill. It starts with what you drink first thing in the morning. Researchers from top institutions like McMaster University and Harvard Medical School have found that certain nutrients, when taken early in the day, can activate muscle repair, reduce inflammation, and even boost mood and brain function. This morning drink combines 3 powerful ingredients, each backed by science, and together they create a perfect blend for muscle recovery and lasting energy. You don't need expensive supplements or fancy routines, just a blender, a few natural ingredients, and 2 minutes a day. Ready to learn the recipe that could strengthen your body and brighten your mornings? The core of this drink is whey protein isolate, and there's a reason we keep coming back to it. Whey is the most effective, fast-absorbing protein for older adults. It contains leucine, the key amino acid that triggers muscle growth, even in aging tissue. 1 scoop in the morning helps rebuild muscles you thought were gone forever. And when taken after waking up, when your body is in a fasted state, it works even better. Think of it as the on switch for your muscles. No heavy lifting required. Just fuel your body right and it responds. Next comes the energy booster, banana. Bananas are rich in potassium, which helps prevent muscle cramps and supports nerve function. They also provide natural sugars and vitamin B6, giving your brain and body a gentle wake-up call without caffeine. Bananas blend smoothly with whey and offer that creamy, satisfying texture. Most importantly, they help regulate blood sugar, preventing energy crashes later in the day. For seniors struggling with fatigue or dizziness, bananas are a natural and delicious solution. And in this drink, they create the perfect foundation for a muscle-loving, energy-restoring blend. The third secret ingredient: chia seeds. Tiny but powerful. These little seeds are packed with omega-3 fatty acids, plant-based protein, and fiber. When soaked, they expand and help you feel full longer, reducing unnecessary snacking and supporting healthy digestion. But their real power lies in reducing inflammation. Chronic inflammation weakens muscles and drains your energy. Chia seeds help calm that storm from the inside out. Just 1 tablespoon adds texture, nutrition, and long-lasting benefits to your morning blend. It's no wonder ancient warriors used them as fuel before battle. And now, seniors can do the same. When you combine whey protein, banana, and chia seeds, you get a morning drink that's more than just a smoothie. It's a muscle recovery system, a natural energizer, and a longevity tool in 1 cup. And the best part? You can customize it. Add a handful of spinach for extra magnesium and iron, a few berries for antioxidants, or a dash of cinnamon for blood sugar balance. This isn't just a recipe. It's a ritual. One that turns every morning into a step towards strength, vitality, and a better quality of life after 60. Let's be honest. Many seniors skip breakfast or settle for toast and tea, meals that don't support muscle or energy. That's a huge missed opportunity. After fasting all night, your body is primed to absorb nutrients. Giving it the right ones at the right time can supercharge your entire day. This morning drink delivers everything your aging body craves: protein, vitamins, healthy fats, and natural sugars. It's easy to digest, fast to prepare, and even easier to make part of your daily routine. You'll feel the difference within days, and others will notice too. One common question is, can I take this even if I don't exercise? Absolutely. While exercise boosts results, this drink works even without a workout. Why? Because muscle maintenance after 60 isn't just about activity. It's about giving your body the amino acids and fuel it needs to repair itself. Even light walking or stretching, combined with this drink, can lead to noticeable improvements in strength, balance, and energy. It's not about doing more. It's about doing what works. And this simple drink works, even for people who haven't worked out in years. In fact, many seniors who started drinking this smoothie reported better posture, less joint pain, and more energy to play with grandchildren, garden, or go for a walk. One viewer even shared how she went from needing a walker to walking unassisted again, just by changing her morning routine. This is what food can do. This is what real recovery looks like. Not overnight, not magic, but daily habits that rebuild your strength from the inside out. And it all starts with this one drink every morning before anything else hits your stomach. Many older adults also struggle with poor digestion or loss of appetite in the morning. That's another reason why this drink works so well. It's gentle, easy to absorb, and packed with nutrients your body actually uses. Unlike heavy breakfasts or processed foods, this blend doesn't overload your system. It nourishes it. For seniors dealing with sensitive stomachs, dentures, or medications that interfere with meals, this is a powerful alternative. It doesn't just fill you up, it feeds your muscles, fuels your brain, and supports your gut without discomfort or bloating. Another bonus. This morning drink can help improve mood and mental clarity. Whey protein and bananas both support the production of serotonin and dopamine, the brain's feel-good chemicals. And when your body gets the right fuel early in the day, your brain responds with sharper focus, better memory, and more emotional balance. For seniors battling low energy, brain fog, or even mild depression, is everything. This simple drinking this morning won't change your life. Even drinking it every morning, because when your body feels the magic, good, your mind follows. Within the first week, a transformation. Many seniors waking up better energy and fewer cravings. By week 2 or 3, they start noticing stronger legs, improved balance, and less stiffness. And after a month, daily tasks feel easier, stamina increases, and strength returns. It's not a fad or a quick fix. It's a habit, a daily commitment to yourself. And the best part, you don't have to give up your favorite foods. Just start the day with this and let the rest fall into place. If you're caring for someone over 60, a parent, grandparent, or spouse, this drink is also a powerful gift. Many older adults won't cook full meals, especially in the morning. But a shake, that's easy. Blending a few ingredients takes under 2 minutes, and cleanup is minimal. Plus, the taste is comforting and familiar, especially when paired with banana, cinnamon, or vanilla. It's a low-effort, high-impact routine that gives them back a little strength, energy, and dignity. And for caregivers, that's everything. Let's break down the full recipe once more, so you can save or screenshot it. 1 scoop of whey protein isolate, 20-30 g. 1 ripe banana. 1 tablespoon of chia seeds. Half a cup milk or unsweetened almond milk. Optional. Handful of spinach, berries, cinnamon, or nut butter for taste and extra benefits. Blend it for 30 seconds and it's ready. Cold, creamy, and ready to rebuild muscle and energy, 1 sip at a time. Wondering which whey protein to choose? Look for one that says isolate or concentrate, with minimal added sugar and no artificial ingredients. Grass-fed or organic is a bonus, but not required. If you're lactose intolerant, try a hydrolyzed or plant-based option. Just make sure it still contains leucine, the key amino acid for muscle support. Avoid protein powders marketed as mass gainers. They often have unnecessary fillers. You want clean, simple, and easy to digest. And always check with your doctor if you're on medications or have dietary restrictions. For those asking, can I prepare it in advance? Yes, you can prep all the dry ingredients, protein, chia, extras, in a jar or container the night before. In the morning, just add milk and banana, blend and go. This removes all excuses and keeps your morning routine smooth. You can even freeze banana chunks ahead of time for an extra cold version. Once it becomes a habit, you'll find yourself looking forward to it, and missing it if you skip. That's when you know it's working. Hydration matters too. This drink contains water through milk and banana, but adding an extra glass of plain water right after is even better. It helps activate digestion, circulate nutrients, and prevent muscle cramps, especially in warm climates or after waking up dehydrated. Think of it as a 1-2 punch. The smoothie feeds your muscles, the water keeps them fluid and flexible. Together they set your day up for movement, strength, and less fatigue. Simple. And that's why it works. There's no perfect time to start taking care of your body, but there is a powerful time to start your day. And that's the moment you wake up. What you feed your body within the first hour can shape how the rest of your day unfolds. Physically, mentally, and emotionally. That's why this morning drink works so well for seniors. It's fast. It's balanced. It meets your body exactly where it's at, and gives it what it's missing. You don't need to change everything. Just change how you start. For seniors who take medications in the morning, this drink also pairs well as a light, nutrient-dense option. Many medications require food to avoid nausea or discomfort, and this smoothie delivers exactly what your body needs, without the heaviness of a full meal. It helps stabilize blood sugar, reduces the risk of dizziness, and eases digestion. If your loved one skips breakfast due to medication fatigue or loss of appetite, this drink might be the simplest solution to keep their energy and strength steady throughout the day. Muscle loss isn't just about appearance, it's about mobility, independence, and quality of life. The ability to walk without pain, carry groceries, stand up without help. These are freedoms that many take for granted until they're gone. But it doesn't have to be that way. With small changes like this morning drink, those freedoms can be preserved and even regained. This isn't about reversing age. It's about aging with strength, dignity, and vitality. And it all starts with what you put in your body the moment you wake up. There's no perfect time to start taking care of your body, but there is a powerful time to start your day. And that's the moment you wake up. What you feed your body within the first hour can shape how the rest of your day unfolds, physically, mentally, and emotionally. That's why this morning drink works so well for seniors. It's fast. It's balanced. It meets your body exactly where it's at, and gives it what it's missing. You don't need to change everything. Just change how you start. For seniors who take medications in the morning, this drink also pairs well as a light, nutrient-dense option. Many medications require food to avoid nausea or discomfort, and this smoothie delivers exactly what your body needs, without the heaviness of a full meal. It helps stabilize blood sugar, reduces the risk of dizziness, and eases digestion. If your loved one skips breakfast due to medication fatigue or loss of appetite, this drink might be the simplest solution to keep their energy and strength steady throughout the day. Muscle loss isn't just about appearance, it's about mobility, independence, and quality of life. The ability to walk without pain, carry groceries, stand up without help. These are freedoms that many take for granted until they're gone. But it doesn't have to be that way. With small changes like this morning drink, those freedoms can be preserved and even regained. This isn't about reversing age. It's about aging with strength, We've seen
dignity,
people
and
in their
vitality.
60s, 70s,
And it all starts
even
with what you
80s
put in your
transform
body
their
the moment
daily
you wake
energy
up.
just by committing to this habit. The feedback is always similar. I feel stronger. I don't need naps anymore. I look forward to waking up. These aren't elite athletes or bodybuilders. They're regular people who decided to take control of their mornings. And with each passing week, their bodies responded. Muscle strength returned. Movement felt easier. And most importantly, they began to believe in their body again. That's the power of the right start. Don't wait until you've lost your balance or suffered a fall. Don't wait until getting out of bed becomes a challenge. Prevention is always easier than recovery. And it starts with something as simple as this drink. You don't need expensive routines, supplements, or complicated diets. Just real ingredients, blended with intention and taken daily. Your future strength depends on what you do today. And this one change can help you protect it starting tomorrow morning. If you've made it this far in the video, that tells me something. You care. Whether it's for yourself or someone you love, you're ready to take action. So here's your challenge. Try this drink every morning for 7 days. Track how you feel. Notice your energy, your focus, and your strength. Then come back and let us know in the comments. Your story could inspire someone else to take the first step. And that ripple effect could change more lives than you realize. And remember, it's not just what you eat, it's how you live. Pair this drink with light movement, a good night's sleep, and regular hydration. Even 10 minutes of walking a day can multiply its effects. This isn't about being perfect. It's about being consistent. Showing up for your body each day in small ways. One decision, one habit, one powerful morning drink. It's all you need to start aging with strength. If you're a caregiver, this is something easy you can make for your loved ones. They may not say it, but many seniors feel embarrassed asking for help, especially when it comes to food or fatigue. Offering this drink each morning is more than just nutrition. It's a gesture of love, dignity, and hope. A way to say, I care about your strength, and I believe in your recovery. Small actions like this make the biggest difference. Now let's talk about the bigger picture. Health isn't something you chase in emergencies. It's something you build every single day. And it doesn't have to be overwhelming. When you start your morning with purposeful nourishment, everything else gets easier. You feel better, move better, think clearer. You enjoy life more. This one morning drink may seem small, but it sets the tone for everything that follows. That's why we created this video, to give you something real, simple and powerful that works. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up so more people can discover it. Subscribe to our channel for more science-backed tips on aging, energy and nutrition. And turn on the notification bell so you never miss a chance to improve your health. We're here to support you every step of the way, because aging should be strong, vibrant and full of life. Drop a comment below if you're going to try this drink, or tag someone who needs to see it. Thank you for being here. Thank you for showing up for your health. At Health Vibes, we believe every day is a new opportunity to feel stronger, live better, and take control of your body, no matter your age. Your muscles haven't given up on you, and neither have we. We'll see you in the next video. Until then, stay strong, stay nourished, and stay vibrant.